Hi everybody, this is Troy from Aquatech Marine Services and Dave from Aquatech Marine Services here to demonstrate the Transom Lift Mount. We've got a boat here that's apparently on its third transducer from what we've heard, and they have an issue where they put the boat on the beach periodically and they keep snapping transducers off. So the answer here is to install the Transom Lift Mount to remove this problem so they can move the transducer up out of the water. Dave, you want to show us the broken transducer that we have here?
Yeah, typically they just snap right about here at the mounting from hitting beach ground or any debris.
All right, perfect. So we got a little bit of a challenging installation on the back of this boat. As you can see, we've got a strap ring and a drain hole for the splash well there. So we got a couple things we got to work around, but the product's pretty flexible, and we've had great luck putting them just about anywhere we need to do it. And we'll show you on this one what we did. Okay, here's the product in its fresh state, direct from the manufacturer here. Straight out of the box. There's one unmodified, and we'll show you what we did later in this particular instance. But essentially this piece needs to get mounted to the back of the boat, and the transducer then mounts to the small block at the bottom, and then you have a handle so you can move it up and down out of the water. Makes sense. Simple concept, sturdy materials, easy thing for us to do. All right, we'll check in with you here in a minute as we progress. Okay, as I mentioned, we got a little bit of a challenging installation on the back of this boat here. We've got the D-ring there for the tie-down straps for the trailer, and we've got the splash well drain that we have to work around. So what Dave's done here is he's modified the product just slightly to go around all these obstructions. Let's see what you got, Dave.
Went ahead and made a clearance hole for the D-ring for the trailer tie-down. A little bit of clearance problem right here for the splash well. Went ahead and just ground a little notch in here. That way when it goes over it, it'll sit nice and flush. And the D-ring clears the rod. Still uses full travel. You can still lift it up all the way. And use the set screw to go ahead and hold it up out of the water when it's either beached or you're just trying to keep stuff from growing on there.
All right, perfect. We'll keep going with the installation. Okay, so here we're looking at the final installation here of the Transom Lift Mount. We got the new transducer installed. Everything's notched out as we showed you moments ago here. All the screws are installed, sealed. Don't forget to use your 3M 5200 sealant to make everything waterproof out here where it's wet. And here, Dave, you want to demo the final install here?
Yeah. Just loosen up the set screw, and then you can go ahead and move it to the full up position. You can tighten up the set screw, and it'll stay right there, pretty stiff. And then to lower it back down, just opposite, tighten up the set screw. And on installation, make sure you leave yourself enough slack. You'll be able to go get full up and down travel with your transducer wire.
And again, you can see that you know, the D-ring, we have that transom tie-down strap for the trailer installed. It goes in there and doesn't interfere with anything. It works perfect. So there it is. And again, this was one of the more challenging installations you'll see with this, with a couple of obstructions in the way, and worked out pretty good. Looks great. Thanks a lot, and enjoy your Transom Lift Mount. Bye.